Being in this icy water, here's that picture again. But Penny is expected to make a full recovery. Thank goodness.
And here you say it all the time, pets, people shouldn't be out on frozen ice.
Yeah, that's right. Out in the cold doesn't matter. This time of the year, you got to check on them. And then, of course, after those cold mornings, check their paws, the tips of the ears, and their nose for frostbite. Here's another example of a frozen area of water. And remember, it may look like it's nice and thick, but you can't be getting out on that. I know recently we had someone who played ice hockey and they did it exactly the right way. They did the drill down, checked on a very, very shallow pond to make sure it was safe to do so. Everyone else, well, just don't. This is a pretty cool picture sent to us to Storm Pen, and it was captured from Gordonsville as the winter birds fighting over the food. Beautiful sunset. This was taken yesterday in Midlothian. Thanks, Tar Heel, for sharing that on our Storm Pens app. Let me show you what it looks like outside from on top of the Dominion building looking off to the west. High clouds. That's what's moving over us right now. Out ahead of a storm system that is going to spread moisture toward us from the west as we get into later this morning. These are winter weather advisories, which will be in effect from 10 a.m. through early this evening for a mix of primarily sleet, a little bit of snow may mix in, less than an inch of that. And then also freezing rain, which could create a glaze of ice less than 1/10 of an inch of that. So we are tracking a couple of things here. Let me point out the first thing. It's this area of high pressure off to our north that's funneling in that cold air mass near the ground, keeping us cold here. You can see moisture starting to spread in from the west and also already producing showers to North Carolina. Warm front will be lifting through the area later this evening. You can already see one piece of energy out ahead of the big guy producing a mix of winter weather through parts of the Midwest. But this is the main parent low pressure system that will be tracking through the region as we get into late on Wednesday and Thursday. Temperatures right now, if you're heading out the door, are colder than this time yesterday morning. It's 29 in Richmond, 28 at Bonaire, Chester, and also for you as you head out the door in Short Pump. And I expect us to hold into the upper 20s over the next hour. Our rain chances here in Richmond do not arrive until this afternoon, and it's far from a washout. We'll just get the opportunity for some scattered showers this afternoon. You can see little blips of them here and there. Pink, of course, as I mentioned, represents the freezing rain. This may not be showing it, but it's probably going to be that light freezing drizzle and also sleet occurring out into western parts of the state. This evening, the warm front lifts northward overnight tonight. May still get a few passing showers through tomorrow morning as well, pausing the clock at 10 a.m. So again, today's not a washout. Tomorrow's not a washout until the evening hours. That's when we'll start to get that rain really overspreading all of central Virginia through Wednesday evening. Here we are at 11 p.m. And then overnight Wednesday into early Thursday morning is when that rain continues to track to the south and east, and so does our cold front. You'll see the pink here. That's where we start to get that rain-snow mixture. And let's just keep stepping through early morning. 8 a.m. on Thursday. Snow happening from the northwest, tracking to the south and east as that colder air arrives behind the cold front. Again, the pink means a snow-rain mixture, maybe a little bit of sleet. Here we are pausing at 1 p.m. on Thursday, getting that snow, and then it wraps up, I think, by 3 p.m. here in the metro. So during that time frame on Thursday morning, we could see about 1 to 2 inches of snow, which, by the way, is a pretty light amount. Temperatures will be falling through the day, Rob and Reba, on Thursday behind that cold front, which, remember, passes in the morning. And then it's very cold Friday morning. That may set a new record cold temperature. It's been a roller coaster every week and will be.
We're buckled up, though. We meet